This is just a real quick video showing you how to download and install a new font onto your computer. Installing the font's the easy part, but it's only a few clicks. The hard part is finding a font out of the thousands of amazing fonts online that you want to use for your project. One of my favorite sources for fonts is fontbundles.net. I've provided a link in the lesson materials section for you. Not only do they have really great deals on fonts, but they also have a free section with some really great fonts in there that you can download and use absolutely free. To find that section, just go to the link and click on the free font section up in the top menu bar. If you'd like to use the font Stardom that I used in this video, I've also provided that link for you in the lesson materials section. Once you've found the perfect font, go ahead and download it to your computer. Remember to save it in a spot that's easy to find. Open up the location that you saved the font and unzip the file. This is really easy to do. Just right-click on the zipped file itself and click Open. Extract the file for the type of computer that you are using. Now you can open the file, right-click on the Open Type Font file, and click on Install. Your design program should recognize the new font automatically. Open up your design program, select the text tool, and type something in. Then with the text selected, go up and change it to your brand new font. To expand your standard text into an SVG cutting path, click on your text, go up to Object, Expand, and expand the object and fill. You'll see the line under the editable text turn into little nodes all around the individual letters. And that's it, super easy. That's how you download and install new fonts and create your own custom word designs.